Hey car lovers, welcome back to Pro Auto Tips. Is your check engine light giving you anxiety? Don't panic. Your car's oxygen sensor could be the culprit and it might just need a cleaning. In this video, I'll show you how to clean your O2 sensor like a pro, and we'll also share you some bonus tips that will save you cash, improve car performance, and most importantly, keep you out of the repair shop for good. So what's the big deal about the oxygen sensor? This little component holds the key to your car's smooth and efficient performance. It monitors the air-to-fuel ratio and sends real-time data to your car's computer. If it's dirty, your fuel economy and performance take a hit, and you might even see that dreaded check engine light. Before starting cleaning process, make sure to consult your vehicle's owner's manual for specific instructions and safety precautions. Also, ensure you have the necessary tools and materials, such as a socket wrench with an O2 sensor socket, wire brush, can of carburetor cleaner, WD-40, a small bucket, gloves and safety glasses. Now let's start the cleaning of your oxygen sensor. Step 1. Park your car on a flat surface and put it in park. Wait for a few minutes to let your engine to cool properly. Step 2. Disconnect the negative terminal of the car battery to ensure safety. Step 3. Now, locate the O2 sensor. The oxygen sensor is most commonly located on the exhaust manifold or just downstream in the exhaust system. It is recommended to refer your vehicle's manual for its exact location. Step 4. Use the oxygen sensor socket and a ratchet to unscrew and remove the sensor. Spray a small amount of WD-40 on the sensor threads if it's stuck. Let it sit for a few minutes and then remove the sensor. Pro tip: if the sensor is heavily fouled or damaged, replace it. Step 5. Fill a jar with carburetor cleaner or gasoline and submerge the sensor's tip into the jar. Let it soak for 12 to 24 hours to dissolve carbon and other deposits. Step 6. After soaking, use a soft bristle brush to gently scrub any remaining debris off the sensor. Step 7. Allow the sensor to air dry completely before reinstalling it. This ensures no cleaner residue remains. Step 8. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the sensor's threads and avoid tip. Step 9. Reinstall the sensor into its port and tighten it securely. Reconnect the sensor's electrical connector. Step 10. Reattach the negative battery terminal. Start the vehicle and check for any error codes with an OBD2 scanner. If the check engine light stays off and no codes are present, the cleaning was successful. Bonus tip: never clean an oxygen sensor with water or soap. It can damage the internal components. And there you have it. Your oxygen sensor is clean, and your car is running like a dream. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DIY car tips.